हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of nature of business economics. Business economics, also called managerial economics, is the application of economic theory and methodology to business. This statement revealed that managerial economics serve as a bridge between economic theory and decision making. That means the business economy is the bridge, the economic decisions, and economic theory in context of business. For example, in economics study, explain the all resources are limited and all human wants are unlimited, and any human activity want getting more, but resources are limited, and economists give the option, alternative options for getting the, for fulfilling the unlimited wants. How to maintain the unlimited wants through limited resources, that is the business economics. That means the business economic practically exercise of economic theory. Decision making means the process of selecting one out of two or more alternative course of action. The questions of choice arises because the basic resources such as capital, land, labor, and management are limited and can be employed in alternative uses. The decision-making function thus becomes one of making choice and taking decisions that will provide the most efficient means of attaining desired ends, say profit maximization. Definition of business economics. Business economics consists of, according to A.C. Nair, business economics consists of the use of economic modes of thought to analyze the business situation. Single Minhas defined business economics as the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. We may therefore define managerial or business economics as the discipline which deal with the application of economic theory to business management. Managerial economics or business economics thus lies on the borderline between economic and business management and serve a bridge between the two disciplines. Nature of managerial or business economics. Tradition economic theory has developed along two lines, normative and positive. Normative focus on prescribe statement and help establish rules aim at attain the specified goal of business. Positive, on other hand, focus on description. It aim at describing the manners in which the economic system operates without specifying how they should operate. The emphasis in managerial of business economics is the is on normative theory. Managerial of business economics seek to establish rules which help business firms attain their goals, which indeed in also the essence of the word normative. However, if the firms are to establish valid decision rules, they must thoroughly understand their environment. This required the study of positive or descriptive theory. Thus, managerial or business economics combines the essential of the normative and positive theory, the emphasis being more on the former than later. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss about a scope of business economics or managerial economics.